Okay, we're about ready to look for Cupcake. Where are you, Cupcake? It's time for your video. Where are you? Where are you? Hi! This is Cupcake. And you may think she's using the kitty litter box to go to the bathroom, but no. She likes chasing the kitties, and the kitties laugh at her. She's so tiny, she's only half the size of a cat. So the cats won't run, so she's resorted to hiding in the cat box. And then she startles them, and that makes them run. Huh, yes, you're a silly girl. She's a wonderful little house dog. Would fit in a purse. She's just as tiny as can be. Probably, I doubt if she even weighs 5 pounds. And she's doing really well in the house. I wouldn't say she's 100% housebroken, but if you take her out every probably 3 or 4 hours, she goes outside to go potty, but if you leave her in too long, she'll come and go in the house. Huh, sweetie? But you're getting it. Huh, she's a good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. She does great with other dogs. And as long as your cat isn't definitely afraid of dogs, she should be fine with cats too. She's not that vicious. Huh, she likes to think she is. Huh, this is little Cupcake.